Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So I'm going to do a video that I did do a few years back, but it was such a good transformation, if you say, of my hair that I've been wanting to do it again. And you're supposed to be doing this all the time, and I'm bad and I haven't done it in a long time. So because my hair, I feel like, I don't know if it's the humidity, if it's this, you know, the summer's coming, so my hair is drier and coarser. I mean, my hair's always coarse, but my hair feels a little more drier. I cut my hair a lot. I did short layers, and I'll never do short layers on my type of hair again because I was just curious to do it. You know, it's been 30 years since I had my hair that short, and I thought, like, I wanted a big puffy look, and I did, and I liked it, but the problem is after like a week or two I was like, all right, I want my hair back. And usually my hair grows so fast that I was like, no big deal. But with short layers, I wasn't thinking, like, it takes a long time for that hair to grow back, and it's just a ball of, and I just makes me feel much older. So I just want to grow my hair a little longer. Not that I care about my age, but I don't love the look anymore. So, and I feel like when my hair is longer, my curls are nicer, so I don't know. But then again, when my hair was short, I did get nice curls. Either way, I need something. So I'm going to use the OLAPLEX Hair Perfector number 3. This repairs and strengthens for all hair types. So even though these directions are really tiny, I can still read them somehow. Okay, I have to kind of do one of these though. Use once a week, like I haven't used it in years. For damaged hair, 2 to 3 times a week. Wonderful. But like, honestly, when I did this like once, it was magic in the one time. So if I got to keep using it, at least I have it now. Okay. Apply on damp. We're going to ignore the dogs barking in the background. Okay. Step 1, apply to towel dried hair. Then apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes longer if desired. I will definitely be leaving on longer. Rinse hair for best results, shampoo, blah, 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 and condition with OLAPLEX. Okay, so then when I shampoo it, no, I don't know, well, I guess I have to shampoo it. I'll co-wash it. Because I feel like the shampoo is gonna dry it out, but maybe it needs to be shampooed, so I better use the shampoo. I'll shampoo it, and then I'll do my usual conditioner and my usual styler. And I don't know if I have any more of the OLAPLEX styler. I think I just used it all. Shoot. All right, well, we'll just style it. This is really just to fix my hair anyway. So let's get on with it. Okay, so I just separated the top section, and yes, there's grays everywhere. It's just I can't fight it anymore. You can get away with it with curly hair, though. I'll tell you, when you have a lot of hair, you can get away with it. Why can't they make these things easier? Why? Do you know how difficult this is? It's not as thick as I remember. It's the styler, I think, that's thick. Okay. I have a lot in my hand going in. I didn't realize it was this runny, so I put too much in my hand. So I'll just do this whole section with that amount, and then we're set. I'm gonna put a little more in. It's pretty wet, but just like a little overall. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for at least 10 minutes, but I'm definitely gonna probably do a half an hour at least for my hair. Depends on your hair type. So I will see you in 10. No, actually, what I'm going to do is after that time, I'm going to rinse my hair out, shampoo, conditioner, and you'll see me back in the turban again. And then we'll style our hair really quickly and see how great this OLAPLEX worked out in fixing my hair and just making it more healthy, etc., etc. I will see you in a bit. Okay, guys, I had the treatment in my hair for just under half an hour. I rinsed out the product. I rinsed out the OLAPLEX number 3. I co-washed my hair. I conditioned my hair. And now it's been sitting in here for not too long, but in maybe 5 minutes or so. And I'm going to style my hair, and guess what I found? I'm so excited. I found the number 6. So this is the Bond Smoother Leave-In Repair. Yes, I'm very excited. I didn't do the shampoo and conditioner Olaplex, but we did the hair perfector, and we're doing in the leave-in. Let's see. I didn't do it before because like my hair was in a ponytail, so it didn't even look like my hair normally, but I'll show you the last few videos how my hair's been looking normally. So I'm hoping it will look a lot more smoother now, because I'm telling you, last time I did this, it really did make a difference. I'm going to be honest, I don't know that I feel my hair is any different, so let's just try it and see. I remember this being really thick. I knew one of them was like hard to squeeze out. There we go, forgot my light. Now remember, this is for all hair types. This is not for curly hair. This is for any hair that needs a little fixing. Using this as I normally would use as a styler for my hair. It's too bad I'm not going anywhere today. It's like thundering out. I feel like my hair is listening to me and behaving the way that it used to as I style it. Sometimes it doesn't do that. This product is in, and I'm going to diffuse my curls. Okay guys, I am done, and you can see my hair does look healthier. It feels healthier, I'll say that. And what's funny is, I don't know if it's funny, but the style looks like the style that I've always had, that I've been waiting to go back to after cutting my hair short. It's like, when is my hair gonna come back to the old style? And I think I got there. I think it's finally there. I feel like it's growing back again. So I'm excited about that. I want to get up close so that you can see how great my hair looks. Again, this isn't just for curly hair. I just happen to have curly hair, and look at how nice my hair looks. It really nourished my curls and made it healthier. And for that, I am very grateful. But yeah, here we go guys, loving it. So excited I found the styler. I believe you can get this done in salons. I see it on the website, at least for my salon, but there's no price. I wish there was a price there, and I don't feel like calling, but next time I go, I'll ask her. Not that I don't feel like calling. I don't want to ask and then not. I don't want to waste their time. So, but I'll ask her next time I go how much that would cost, because this isn't cheap. So this alone, this was $30. The number 3, the hair perfector, that is the Bond. The number 3 that helps repair your hair, and the Bond Smoother, which is the styler, I'm guessing is also like $30. I happen to have this because I think I had gotten during a Sephora sale or something, and I don't use it because it's so expensive that I'm like, I'm only going to use it like I'm going somewhere big, which is nowhere today, but I'm using it for you guys. No, but it's a video, so I'm making a video, and that's all that matters. And I want you guys to know that if you need to, your hair just needs a little TLC, it says to do it 2-3 times a week. You do not have to. I would even say do it once a month is enough. I don't even do it that often, but if I do it that often, maybe my hair won't look bad sometimes and unhealthy. Okay guys, that's my video for today.